Hey everyone, today I have a coding interview question, and it's question that's been asked by Google and Amazon and among other companies. Okay, so in this problem we have given array A of size n, and the element of the array consists of positive integer. You have to find the largest element with minimum frequency. So I think you hope you understand the question. Find the largest element with minimum frequency. Okay, so let's talk about input format. First line of input contains number of test cases, so we have to solve this format. Okay, and second, for each test case there will be two lines. First line contains n and next line contains n elements separated by space. Okay, so output format is printing largest element with minimum frequency. Okay, so explanation. All elements are having frequency 1 or expect 2. 50 is the maximum element with minimum frequency. So guys, there is a one example, number of test case, element n, and the format, and the output is 50 with minimum frequency. So let's go to your Java class and write first of all main method, and we have to first we have to declare test cases. So we have to use scanner for user input. Okay, and system dot in, and now we have to initialize t with so dot next int and terminate, while we have to use while for t less than 0. Why we are using while? For looping. Okay, first of all I write so next and write one array new int format n. Okay, so I am writing while because of t is a number of test case you have to perform in the program. So if t is greater than 0, the loop will begin. If t is 0, the performance is null, 0. Okay, so let's about for int I 0, sorry, I less than n, sorry, I plus plus, and now loop is begin. I so dot next. Okay, okay, so why I am writing this loop? Because of if suppose we have type 4 elements, n equal to 4, so the array will initialize the list 0 to 4 members, and the loop will begin. So here you have to print 1 2 3 4. Okay, now onwards we want I think completed, we completed a program. So we want one more class, helper, okay, helper class and method for finding the minimum frequency. Okay, so we will write the code inside the class my channel name, and one public static int larger but minimum frequency. Okay, so I will pass two argument. One is array, second is n. So okay, and there is error because of it's a static type, so we have to perform return type. Now onwards, I think you should know about something we are using in this program. First of all, I am using tree map. I think you have to know about what is tree map. In this video, I think most of people know about tree map. Okay, if you don't know, just go and select control and click on the tree map. So tree map, where is okay. So tree map is a class with extent abstract method. Okay, so okay, I think there is no return type. I will tell you, tree map is a key value pair. Means the tree map is performed or perform the task of key pair values. Like if you have one, suppose I will remove this and then sorry, just go to there and I will write. So I think you see that the k is key and v is value. So the key where value, tree map is working on the navigation map and tree map, because of if the tree map is mostly used on sorting type method. Okay, so right now we using for loop, int I 0, I not less than n, and I plus plus. So in this loop we will perform all of the program, I think most of program. If not h dot content key is array, sorry, I. So next we have h dot put, we are putting some value, integer, arr I and this h dot put array I. Now onwards, h dot get array I plus 1. So I think most of think you understand, but you don't understand, I will describe you. So this loop, what will do this loop? This loop begins with I 0 to n, means how many elements you are putting in the array. And what was this if and else condition is do? You know about contents key. Contents key is the map one or more keys to specify value. More formal written true if and only if this map contains at least one mapping to a value such that you have value null and v equal to null. Okay, so you understand, if we are using contains key and you have one or more values, so we are using not h array, and we are using if his condition is true the values this put. Okay, the put value wants two arguments, one is key and one is value, and the value is always is true. Okay, not false sometime. Okay, so you understand. And in else condition you are using put condition with I array and get, if this empty it will work for you. So right now you have to initialize one min and int dot max value, and second argument is int 0. Now onwards you have to use map. Map is also key value pair, similar. Sorry. So map is doing what? Map is interface. Okay, so return the number of key value mapping in this map. If map contains more than elements, then it's return the number of key value mapping in this map. Okay, suppose if you have lots of values, so we are using map for key value pairs. We are why we are using entry? Because of entries. If suppose you have n values, it will return 0, 2, 3 entries, like in register serial number. I think you are using seeing this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 18, 19. That's why. Just go and type min equal to e dot get value and res equal to e dot get key, and return type, change the return type is res. So we completed our code, and one last thing I missed, because in last I will show you, is that in the tree map just write collection dot reverse order. So what will it do? Collection, let's check. Collection is a class turning up parenthesis for algorithm. Many of the list algorithm has to implement, one of which is appreciate for random access list sequence. So it's random access variety, yet better performance on small access list. The turning parameters below determine the cutoff points for what constitutes a small sequence access list. Each algorithm, the value below is determined to work linked list. Hopefully they should resume now. So I think you should know what is doing collection. The full value of tree map storing n values, it will revise the order to checking full of the things. Just let's go and run the program. Take time. First thing is test cases, numbers of elements, and 50, 12, 3. Okay, no answer. Why? Because we are forgetted to calling the class krsocode new krsocode, and right now just k dot what was the l, sorry, what was the class name, is large but min frequency. Okay, can I change this name? Answer, k dot answer. So, and pass the two things, array and n, and just go and run this program. Here we are, and test cases, number of array list 50, 12 and 3. So answer is 3. So hope you understand. No, yeah, little bit mistake in this program. So I will go to my question 22551. Let's check once. And okay. Almost I think everything is correct. Once more time I will check run, and then number of cases, sorry, one, 3, 2, 2, 50. Okay, it's well giving me error. Let's solve it. So we forgetted something. Condition e dot get value less than min. So what was the condition is doing? Just giving the value it's less than the maximize, minimize. Just run the program and check the output. I think so it's work. Yeah, it's working. So I hope you understand the concept. Thank you guys.